Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of ultra-portable laptops with the LG Gram Pro 16-inch OLED thin and lightweight laptop, Intel Evo Edition. With its impressive specs and sleek design, this laptop promises to be a game-changer for professionals on the go. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Before starting the video, the buy link is given in the description, and you can buy this laptop from Amazon at a discounted price. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So, let's start the video. First things first, let's talk about design. The LG Gram Pro 16-inch is not just a laptop. It's a statement piece. With its sleek black finish that exudes elegance and sophistication, this laptop is sure to turn heads wherever you go. What's truly impressive is that despite its large 16-inch display, the LG Gram Pro remains incredibly lightweight, weighing just, insert weight here, pounds. This makes it easy to carry around all day without feeling weighed down. Perfect for professionals and students alike who are constantly on the move. Now, let's dive into the powerhouse performance of the LG Gram Pro. Under the hood, this laptop is powered by the Intel Core Ultra 7 processor, delivering lightning-fast performance for all your multitasking needs. Whether you're editing videos, running virtual machines, or tackling demanding workloads, the LG Gram Pro handles it all with ease. And with a whopping 32 gigabytes of RAM and a massive 2 terabytes SSD, you'll never have to worry about running out of memory or storage space again. It's a productivity beast that can keep up with your busiest days. Moving on to the display, prepare to be mesmerized by the LG Gram Pro's stunning OLED panel. With its 16-inch 4K OLED display, this laptop offers breathtaking visuals with vibrant colors, deep blacks, and incredible detail. Whether you're streaming movies, editing photos, or working on spreadsheets, every pixel comes to life on this gorgeous screen. Plus, with Windows 11 Home pre-installed, you'll experience a seamless and intuitive user interface right out of the box, enhancing your overall user experience. When it comes to connectivity, the LG Gram Pro has you covered. It features Thunderbolt 4 ports, USB-A ports, HDMI, and a microSD card slot, giving you plenty of options for connecting your favorite peripherals and accessories. Whether you need to connect external monitors, transfer files, or expand your storage, the LG Gram Pro offers versatility and convenience. Plus, with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 support, you can stay connected wherever you go, without compromising on speed or reliability. Now, let's talk about one of the standout features of the LG Gram Pro, its impressive battery life. With up to, insert battery life here, hours of usage on a single charge, you can work, create, or binge-watch your favorite shows without constantly worrying about finding a power outlet. This makes the LG Gram Pro a reliable companion for long flights, workdays, or weekends on the go, keeping up with your busy lifestyle effortlessly. In conclusion, the LG Gram Pro 16 OLED thin and lightweight laptop, Intel Evo Edition, is the epitome of performance, portability, and style. With its stunning OLED display, powerful internals, and long-lasting battery life, it's the perfect companion for professionals, students, and creatives alike. If you're in the market for a premium ultra-portable laptop that doesn't compromise on features or aesthetics, look no further than the LG Gram Pro. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates.